Are you excited about skiing then? Sure am. I can't wait. It will be awesome. Will there be lots of drinking? I should hope so. The hardest ski of the day is at 4 p.m. down to the pub. Will the guys from the apartment be joining us in the bar? Yes, once they've finished in the sauna. They have a sauna. Yes, but you have to be naked to go in. It's Yeon's rule. Will you be sampling the Van Choud? Yes. It warms the cockles of my heart. And it lubricates the vocal cords for the evening singing. Will we be watching the bands in the bar? Hell yeah. Check out my guitar action. I'm most looking forward to the guy who does Slim Shady in a funny variety of accents. Will Maxwell randomly flatten any Frenchmen on the way back to the chalet? More than likely. Wrestling in the snow at chucking out time is a big part of his day. Will Ian embarrass himself with the waitress again, I wonder? Only if she has plats, or if he wants her for his wife. Are you looking forward to the Grand Grol? Is anyone, well, apart from Aiden? I hope the bar has plenty of toffee vodka. Me too. I'm keen to see Maxwell pour it all over Dave again. And to see Pam suckle it like a gerbil. And then snog Kate. Oh yeah baby.